legs up against the wall. After 20 minutes, you will see the following results. Number 1. Improve circulation and drain fluids. Thanks to the power of gravity, lifting your legs will pump blood to your heart faster. This improves circulation, which is something your entire body benefits from. It also helps drain any excess fluid which has accumulated in your legs. Did you know that your legs also affect a part of the body that you were not even aware of? Number 2. Improve digestion. When you raise your legs, you're actually doing this, exercising the muscles responsible for digestion. So not only will you get a flatter belly, but digestion will be a whole lot smoother from here on out. Number 3, a relaxed nervous system. Elevated legs help you relax and take in more air. Your organic tissue will receive more oxygen, which in turn will reduce the tension in your muscles. Number 4 is a better sleep. Since stress is one of the biggest causes of insomnia, the relaxation that this position brings means you will sleep like a baby. There is nothing better than a natural cure. Number 5 is foot pain relief. High heels are great for special occasions, right? But is it worth the leg pain you'll have when you get home? The aching pain is a result of your weight not being evenly distributed. To counteract this imbalance, kick off your shoes and elevate your legs for about 20 minutes. You will feel like a whole new person. It might feel a little strange in the